Imagine a world where race cars thunder down the track, controlled not by human hands but by sharp and precise artificial intelligence. How will this change the future of racing? As we approach this new horizon, we have to consider the impact on the sport, the drivers, and the fans. The potential is enormous. Yet, so are the challenges. Will the roar of an AI-powered engine stir the same excitement? It's no longer a question of if, but when. And the when is closer than you might think. The race towards AI-controlled cars didn't start yesterday. It's been a steady progression, fueled by technological advancements and the need for speed. The journey began in the 1980s, when the racing world dipped its toes into the waters of artificial intelligence with early experiments in computer-aided design and simulation. These pioneering efforts sought to streamline car designs and improve aerodynamics, promising faster and more efficient race cars. The 1990s saw the introduction of semi-autonomous systems like traction control. These systems, powered by AI, helped drivers maintain control of their vehicles at high speeds, ensuring safety while pushing the boundaries of performance. But the real game changer arrived in the 2010s, when the first fully autonomous car races took place. These events showcased the power and potential of AI, as self-driving race cars navigated tracks without human intervention. The sight of these high-speed, high-tech marvels whizzing around the track marked a turning point in the history of racing. Fast forward to the present day, and the latest developments in AI-controlled racing are nothing short of astounding. We're seeing self-driving race cars equipped with advanced machine learning algorithms, capable of learning and adapting to the track in real time. These cars aren't just fast, they're smart too. From tentative first steps to full-throttle racing, AI has transformed the racetrack. But what does this mean for the world of racing? The rise of AI in racing is not just about faster cars or safer tracks.